Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a rich and masala-packed dish, chicken liver curry. This recipe is bold, aromatic, and full of flavor. The tender chicken liver cooked with spices and masala creates a curry that pairs perfectly with hot steamed rice or fresh roti. If you love strong flavors, this dish is definitely for you. So let's get started. First, let's prepare the chicken liver. Wash it thoroughly and chop it into medium-sized pieces. Now let's marinate the chicken liver. In a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. Add 1 teaspoon of meat masala. Then add 1 teaspoon of chicken masala for extra flavor. Add a half teaspoon of salt. Next, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix everything well. Let it rest for 15 minutes to marinate properly. While the chicken liver is marinating, let's chop the vegetables. Start with onions. And then tomatoes to make a rich curry base. Once the vegetables are ready, heat some oil in a pan and let it warm up nicely. When the oil is hot, add a few cumin seeds and let them sizzle to release their flavor. Next, add the chopped onions and fry them gently. Don't let them get too dark. Just cook until they reach a light golden stage. Now, add the marinated chicken liver into the pan and stir well, coating it with the onions. Fry the chicken liver well, stirring occasionally until it cooks through and starts releasing its own oil. Then add the chopped tomatoes and mix well, letting them soften and blend with the liver. Next, add 1 more teaspoon of garlic paste to enhance the flavor and aroma of the curry. Now add salt according to your taste and mix everything well. Let the curry simmer, allowing the tomatoes to soften and blend perfectly with the chicken liver, creating a rich, flavorful gravy. To add a touch of heat and spice, sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and mix well. Now add a cup of water and let the curry boil for 10 to 15 minutes. This allows all the spices to blend deeply into the chicken liver and also creates a nice gravy for those who prefer it. Now our chicken liver curry is almost ready, and it's time for the final touch. I'm adding a generous sprinkle of freshly chopped coriander and some freshly sliced spring onions. These not only add a burst of color, but also enhance the flavor, giving the curry a fresh, aromatic finish. And just like that, our rich masala-packed chicken liver curry is ready to serve and enjoy. Look at this beautiful chicken liver curry, rich, flavorful, and full of masala goodness. Serve it hot with steamed rice or roti, and it's sure to be a hit at the table. If you enjoyed cooking along with me today, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. On Pan Tales, I share simple, authentic, and flavorful dishes from Bhutanese cuisine that you can make easily at home. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next recipe.